Today I'm going to show you how to do the marble technique using polymer clay and acrylic paint. I start off by chopping up the pieces. The size of the pieces really doesn't matter, it's up to you. The difference in sizing is just that when you have bigger pieces, the veining is going to be a little less, and if you have smaller pieces, there's going to be a lot more veining. I keep mine more on the medium size because I like the end result for earrings that are both larger and smaller. Once I'm done separating pieces, I take acrylic paint and I just dab a couple of dots on there. Honestly, I could have done a few more in this video. I would recommend using just slightly more paint because the more paint, the more prominent the veins are going to be. You'll see at the end that they're not as strong as I would like, so I would definitely recommend using more paint. Also using gloves. I usually do, but I ran out, so I made this video without it. Anyways, you're going to want to wait for the paint to completely dry around each piece, and then you're going to take it together and you're just going to mold it into whatever shape you like. I usually do a cube. Some people will do a cylinder, but the cube just tends to work best for me, so that's what I'm doing here. Now here's the fun part. This is when you get to cut into what you just made and see how beautiful it turned out. As you can see, when I cut in, the veining is not as prominent, like I said. So again, use a little bit more acrylic paint and it'll be perfect, but this still turned out beautiful. I love it. If you want to learn more about polymer clay, make sure to follow me and I will see you in my next video.